Good morning, dear students. Now some important terms which are related with organic chemistry, basic concepts in organic chemistry, right? First one is based on shape of methyl carbocation. Children, positively charged carbon is known as carbocation, right? What is its shape? Carbocation is electron deficient species. In CH4, carbon is sp3 hybridized, right? Where geometry is tetrahedral, but after displacement of one hydrogen, right? What is its shape? Trigonal planar. In this case, this figure is showing planar arrangement of carbocation. C plus carbocation is attached with the 3 hydrogen atoms, right? When C is attached with most electronegative part like halogen or OH group, then after hydrolysis what happens? Shifting of shared pair of electron towards most electronegative atom, leaving behind electron deficient carbon atom, right? Then change in configuration from sp3 to sp2. Here carbon is attached with 3 atoms only, and in sp3 hybridized carbon is attached with 4 atoms in CH4 or any derivative single bonded like CH3Cl. Derivative of methane is methyl chloride, where carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay children, the central part is sp2 hybridized. Change in geometry, because geometry and hybridization both are correlated. Next is nucleophile, study of terms. In organic chemistry, all terms are related with bond breaking, cleavage of chemical bond, right? First is nucleophile. Nucleo denotes positive center and philic means attraction. Nucleus loving species are known as nucleophile, which attract towards positive center. All negative ions act as nucleophile. Negative ion like any halide atom. This is a nucleophile, right? Second is group of atoms OH minus, Cl minus, cyanide ion or lone pair containing molecules. For example, ammonia, where lone pair of electron is present. Also acts as nucleophile. Water molecule H2O. 2 lone pairs of electrons on oxygen atom. Okay children? Then further prove that halide is what is halide is nucleophile, right? Reaction between positive ion and this negative ion. Then formation of new chemical bond, and this new chemical bond is HX bond. Attraction of negative center towards positive. One is electron deficient, second is electron efficient, right? The sharing of this one lone pair of electron between two and formation of new chemical bond. One more experimental proof that ammonia molecule acts as nucleophile. Reaction between ammonia gas and proton. Or what happens in acidic solution of ammonia? Reaction between ammonia and hydrogen ion. Efficient, deficient. Formation of new chemical bond. And this new bond is covalent bond. NH4 plus. NH4 plus ion, this is coordinate bond. This center is this center. Lone pair of electron acts as nucleophile. Reaction between H plus Cl minus, formation of HCl. Okay children. Next is electrophile, just opposite. All cations act as electrophile, or electron deficient species act as electrophile, or Lewis acid. Lewis base acts as nucleophile and Lewis acid acts as electrophile. For example, BF3, any compound of boron or compound of 13 group, BF3, AlCl3 acts as electrophile, right? Because compounds are electron deficient due to the incomplete octet. BF3 plus nucleophile like this, NS3. This is nucleophile, this is electrophile. Attraction of this electrophile towards electron center and which is lone pair of electron. Then formation of compound with coordinate bond. One chemical bond is coordinate bond between donor of electron pair and acceptor of electron pair. This is coordinate bond. Donor is nitrogen and sharing between two. Next is the concept of electron movement in organic reactions. Electronic movement in organic reaction. First figure is showing shifting of pi bonded electron, right, in adjacent position, not on this atom, adjacent position. After shifting of this one, then what is next? Resonance structure, interconversion between two, like this. Resonance is shown by double-headed arrow. This is new bond and resonance. Conversion of double bond in single bond. Double to single and single to double. Double to single and single to double, which is shown by curved arrow. Shifting of electron pair is shown by curved arrow. This is showing from this point to this point, or from this side to this side. Next possibility, shifting of lone pair of electron, right, in adjacent position. When lone pair of electron is present, then formation of pi bond, double bond. Lone pair which is delocalized for this second structure. Y is unknown atom. Resonance due to lone pair of electron, like this too. Conversion of lone pair of electron into double bond, because double bond is delocalized bond, temporary bond, and lone pair of electron is also delocalized, right? Sigma is stronger than pi bond. Third possibility, shifting of pi bonded electron on adjacent atom, not adjacent site. This is adjacent site and this is showing adjacent atom, right? Then conversion of pi bonded electron to lone pair. For third possibility, between double bond and electron. Like this. Resonance between two structures, double to lone pair of electron. And next one, shifting of lone pair to double. Again reshifting. This type of process, this is called resonance, interconversion between structures, A structure and B structure. Okay children, this concept is very important in reaction mechanism, right? Reaction mechanism is bond breaking and bond formation, like this. Suppose this is electronegative atom, then complete bond cleavage and shifting of this shared pair of electron towards most electronegative atom. The next step, A plus B